So let's do it. Hey guys, this is Oidujaman and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Galaxy S9 lock screen on your current Android device. Many of you requested it, so finally I'm doing it. So first of all, download this S9 lock screen app. Link is given in the description, and after downloading, install it like the regular application. So when you are done installing your app, open the application and from here you can see some settings and enable this lock screen. When it is enabled, you can see this icon, and if you want to preview your lock screen, just tap here. You can see the preview of that lock screen. This is that widgets, clock widgets, and swipe up to you can simply unlock your phone. If you want to set passcode, just tap here. It's just an ad and set a patch. I'm selecting this. It's just editing. I'm not a pattern type person. I have to verify again and just verify it. It's done. You can simply just preview it. When you swipe up, you have to select that pattern. Here it is there, and it's just unlocked. If you want to change your wallpaper, just simply tap here, and from here you can get some Galaxy wallpaper. This will look cool. There are a lot of wallpapers. Actually, you're gonna like that. So after selecting that, there are some sound settings, vibration, etc. You can setting that way. So let's try that. I'm swiping up. Here is my lock screen. If you find this video helpful, want to get this, simply do me a favor, subscribe my channel from here and hit the bell icon and stay connected with me and enjoy a lot more video and the upcoming features on your Android phone from Galaxy S9 launcher and other stuffs are coming so soon. So stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you to the next one.